Hey guys, Adam Fenig here with Fenig Equipment, and you're tuned into the Talking Shed. This right here is our new truck bed display stand that we made. This is going to go in the bed of our trucks to drive around and show you guys, basically bring the farm show to you. We've got row cleaners and fertilizer placement, our triple threat up here, the Yetter Innkeeper. This is a really nice design that we're going to bring out to you guys and bring the farm shows and bring these products right to your door. But there's one product I want to really talk about right now. We're starting to think about planters a little bit more and more. And if you guys have ever seen the RK products, now owned by Copperhead Ag, the bushings that you can put in these closing wheel tail fins on your John Deere 1700 series planters. If you have this cast closing wheel, you have a bushing that goes in here that wears out, and over time it wears on this cast piece. So what the Copperhead bearing kit offers is, instead of the bushing that you put in there, there's a bearing that slides in there. So they have a kit that you just put the bearing in there, do away with the bushing, and put it back the way it always was, and you would never have to change anything again. A lot of guys have some slop in these closing wheel tail fins, and that bearing not only tightens that up, but also you'll never have to touch it again. Now, if you want to come over here to the other side now, we have an option that if you've let that bushing go out and wear too long, this cast piece will be oblong and that bearing won't fit in there tight and properly. They have a repair kit where you weld this round piece on first and then stick the bearing in there to bring you back to center and back to perfect center for that bearing to slide into. So if you guys are out there going through your planters, wiggle that tail fin piece, and if there's play in there, look and see if it's the bushing that's worn or if it's the actual cast tail piece. But either way, I highly suggest getting the Copperhead bearing kit. They're around $20 a row. Slide these in there and they're going to be perfectly true, perfectly tight, and you won't have to change them for a long time. So that's what we're talking about today, creeping up on planting season. We'll have plenty more videos of products that will help you perform better this spring. Thanks for tuning in.